let's get back one more time to the vegetable source of the mother of all omega-3s and the mother of all omega-6s and phytosterols. The linolenic oil, omega-3, from the vegetable source is the precursor to all omega-3s. And it makes a couple hundred breakdown omega-3s. And it's more general. And it is not specific for the power that you need. When you go down through several degradations, breakdowns, biodegradability, animal eat it, and the fish eventually makes it into the isolated EPA, DHA, which are sub omega-3s. They are specialized. They're specialized to do certain things. They're specialized for inflammatory diseases, arthritis, pain, ache, sores, psoriasis. We were doing meetings in Finland. Finland has been hot for us, really good. And a group of distributors wanted me to help them recruit this famous doctor. Well, you know, you always hear the term famous doctor, but sometimes you do actually find a famous doctor. As we were talking to him, we found out that when the Soviet Union collapsed, he was appointed by the World Health Organization over 20 countries. And he actually was a famous doctor. He said that there was a psoriasis epidemic from St. Petersburg all the way down to the Baltics. And they had tried all the cortisone injections and everything. They were doing everything they could do. Finally, somebody introduced him to our salmon oil, and he used the salmon oil. He had such remarkable results. He spread it all down through to the Baltics. They had such tremendous psoriasis healings that finally he told the health director of each of 20 countries that for psoriasis, first choice was GNLD salmon oil.